Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick Google Docs tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to capitalize all the letters in your Google Docs document. It's really quite simple to do, so let's dive into it. First off, go ahead and highlight all the text that you would like to capitalize. So we'll start out here with the title. We'll hold down our left mouse button and drag it out over the text, and then we'll let go, and you can see it stays highlighted. We'll go up to the top left here where you see Format, and left click on that. We'll hover down to text, move off to the right, and then we'll hover down to capitalization. And it's going to give you a couple of different options here. So we can make all the text lowercase, uppercase, and title case. Title case is what it's on right now. So that's upper and lowercase letters. We want to select uppercase here. So left click on that. And you can see it made all of the highlighted text capitalized. Now I'm going to just hit Control Z on my keyboard and make it go back to how it was before. Now, if we want to do the whole document, we'll highlight the whole document, or there's a shortcut. You can just hit Control A on your keyboard. It's going to highlight it all. We'll go back up to Format, Text, Capitalization, and Uppercase, and it's all capitalized. It's really that simple to capitalize all the letters here in Google Docs.